Hey there, everyone. Good morning. Um, okay, so today is the 12th of April, and it's already proven to be the most chaotic day that I'm going to have in April. Well, why is that so? Tomorrow, 13th of April, is actually my birthday, and I've been so conflicted. I don't know. I found it so difficult to make a decision concerning what I was going to do for the birthday on the birthday. And so I've lost so much time. Obviously, today I woke up and suddenly made all these decisions at once. So I decided I'm going to do a photo shoot, yes, for my birthday. And I'm sure, look at the state of my hair. Like, I obviously have to do something about this, and I do not yet have my outfit for the photo shoot session yet. So here's what I plan to do for today. I'm going to leave the house now. I have some deliveries for Glow by PT to do. So I'm going to deliver some makeup products that some clients bought. And when I'm done doing that, I'll rush to the market and try to get one or two outfits for the photo shoot session. Then I've already booked an appointment with the hairdresser. So after that, I will have to rush to the salon and have something done with my hair. And that is not it. I have actually decided to cut my hair, and I made that decision like today morning. I know it's all so much and it's a bit scary, but okay, let's see how it goes. I'm going to cut my hair because I really want it styled in a way like a low cut kind of style, but I guess you'll see the outcome at the end. And I haven't called the photographer. Okay, I should probably call the guy now. So I know that it's like a lot, but I decided to do all of that today morning, and let's see how it goes. She's not picking. Maybe I should leave a WhatsApp message. But this is probably the most chaotic birthday I have ever had. Like, even tomorrow I haven't decided what to do. Like, I'm so conflicted. I do not know what to do. Okay. Some friends actually advised me to let all of it go. Like, just don't do anything. It doesn't hurt. And I was like, nah. So, okay, guys. Wish me luck. I'm going to keep you updated throughout the day. Let's see how this goes. So guys, I didn't know today was like I don't know, the clean up day, something of that sort, which means that shops have to wait till 10 a.m. to open. And I came to this particular market because I have like vendors whom I can always rush into. There's those shops I can always just rush into. Each time I'm in need of something quick, and then they always know what to propose to me. So now I am a bit lost. I'm not sure what to do. So it's still like 9 a.m. That means I have to wait for an hour for the shops to open before I can get whatever I want to get. So I'm losing time, and now this. Please make sure you always plan your projects because this is horrible. So I think I'm just going to rush to the hairdresser just so I can gain time. Yeah. At this point, I decided to go get my hair done, and luckily the hairdresser gave me the go-ahead to come around. And the sky started getting really dark. The weather was not so good any longer, but somehow I succeeded to do my hair, but I couldn't vlog. And while going back to get the outfits for the photo shoot, it started raining, so I could not record that part as well. Hey guys, so I'm almost done with my makeup. I was going in for the subtle look. I think I got it really well, and I'm still doing the finishing touches though, but I think that it's coming together quite well. I didn't vlog while I went to get the outfits for the photo shoot. Like, it was raining. Yeah, I think I included that part in the vlog. It rained cats and dogs, and I just had to struggle to get to the shop and then get the clothes. I was even running out of time because now it's already about 4 p.m. 4 p.m. right? Good. It's already about 4 p.m. and I had to hurry so that I will do the photo shoot in time for the pictures to be ready by tomorrow. And honestly, please do not do this to Radiant Empire. It is not done. It is because I am a special person. You book your photo shoot days before the birthday, so do not do that. Okay guys, let me get done.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. You're never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
Hey guys, good evening. So I'm finally back. The photo shoot session was not easy. It was stressful. Honestly, it was. And I haven't had anything to eat like the entire day. So it's now that I want to eat something before I even clean my makeup because I'm so exhausted. I think I'll have to sleep before I do any other thing. I don't know, can you even see my table? Um okay, so I don't know, should we eat together or do I just put it on time lapse? Oh my god. Now I know the reason why I have not been doing photo shoot sessions that often. It's honestly very stressful, very stressful. I'm not really sure if it's worth it, but anyway, I guess I pulled through and now I'm waiting for the result. This usually happens to me, like each time I want to take off my makeup, I'm asking myself, from where should I start? Oh, it's never the brows. Okay, let's just start from. So I've taken off the mask. And what else? What else? No, I can't put this without having taken my bath yet, so probably won't see me doing that. I think that will be all, guys. That is all for the vlog for today. This is the end of the vlog for 12th of April. Yes, 12th of April 2020. 2020 what again? 2024. Yes, I think so. Okay, good night, guys. Take care. Hello, everyone. So today is finally the 13th of April, and it is my birthday. Happy birthday to me! Yes, I think I've got like 5 bags. I didn't sleep well, so it's expected. And right now, as you can see, I had to undo my hair because usually I don't like keeping styles like that for a long time. I had to do something that would last for some time. And I have to go out tonight. I'm not sure. Well, I thought I would do an install, but that would mean that after a few days, I have to figure out something else. And I don't think I'll have the time to do that. So that's why I took off what I had yesterday. And today I'm just going to get something that can last for a bit longer. Yeah. So right now I'm headed out because I need to get something to wear. Yeah, I'm that kind of person. Each time I want to go out, I just feel like the clothes I have will not make do. So I'm headed out to go get something to wear. At least this time around we're going to shop together. Yeah. Okay, so see ya. Becky, Becky, bye. Hey guys, so I'm done shopping and now I want to do my hair. I'm at the dressing salon, so I think I'll just do what I had last time, day before yesterday. Yes, since it's simple and it's nice, and I think that it suits my face really well. So I'll go in for that. Well, I think I'll just leave the phone on time lapse while we do the hair. And at the end of the day, you'll see how it goes. I think you are not going to see me after I'm done doing the hair. You're going to see me when I'm fully ready and prepared to go out. So hey there, everyone. Good evening. It's already 8 p.m. and I think I'm almost ready to go out. But well, I'm the celebrant, so I can arrive a little bit late. It doesn't fit. When I arrived home, I got a package. I think it's a cake. Oh, my mic fell. I'll just leave it here. Yeah, it's good here. I think it's a cake from one of my students. So this, I think this is going to be like the only cake that I will be having today because I didn't. A cake wasn't part of my plan. Like I know it's traditional. It's what we're supposed to do, but well, I'm kind of different, so it doesn't hurt if I don't do it, does it? So that's it It's white. It's really, really so cute. And well, my friends are going to be at the outing, so I don't know how I'm supposed to cut the cake all by myself because there's no way I'm taking this out. So I guess I'm just going to do it all by myself and be like, thank you, Jesus, for this day, and thank you for everything that has happened. Thank you for what you have done. Thank you for what you're doing, and thank you for what you will do. I'm grateful. It's certainly not been easy, but I overcame. Here we are. I'll be lying if I say that today I'm not living some of my answered prayers. Yes, I'm living in my answered prayers. So it's really something to be grateful for, just for life itself. I'm grateful the achievements, I'm grateful the battles, I'm grateful the just the fact that I overcame so many things. I'm grateful, and family, friends, career, business. I'm just so grateful for all of it. And I think it is at that point that I'll say thank you so much, Jesus, and then I'll taste. Okay, so something happened when I went to get my outfit. I met these girls. Like they were in the dressing room and they were taking so long to dress. I waited and waited and I couldn't wait anymore, so I just had to go in and uh, try out the things that I did. And when I went into the dressing room, these girls, like, they were just trying on clothes. And it's not as if they were wearing any underwear, like no underwears at all, zero underwears. And they just kept on trying stuff and changing and trying stuff and changing. How hygienic is that? How does a lady move around with no underwears? I was so shocked, like, in fact, I felt I never want to see anything like that again. And it made me feel so discouraged. Like, there was no way I was going to try on a trouser from that shop. Like, how? It's so nasty. How do you go to a shop with zero underwears and then you're trying on clothes that you're not probably not going to pay for? I'm going to see my complete outfit when I get to my destination. So, bye. Hey guys, good morning, happy Sunday. So today is the 14th April and I'm headed to church. A friend invited me to fellowship with them, so that's where I'm headed to right now. I can't really say much because I'm already running late. I'll see you after church. Take care.
Newly initiated gouvernement initié, where we are going to be raising children, là où nous allons éduquer training them, les former, and then developing them, et les développer, to become important in future, afin qu'ils deviennent importants.
Okay, so this is my friend who invited me to church, and I pulled him out of church so they will come and do a photo shoot session. See the way we are glowing, skin like milk. Hey guys, so I left church and I had a client who called and insisted. He's been trying to get to me for the past 3 days. I've been so busy, I've really not been working at all. And it's today that he insisted he had a video shoot and I had to come and do his makeup for the video shoot. So we're now at the location. It's quite beautiful and we're really high up. I'll show you the view from where you can see the entire town. So yeah, I haven't had time to rest. I guess when I get home tonight I'm going to conclude the vlog. In the meantime, they're preparing to start shooting. I'll show you who he is and so that you can check out his songs as well. Okay, so let me show you a view of the town from where I stand right now. So now we're done with the shoot and we're heading back. We'll have to walk for some time before we find a ride, but I think we'll make do. It wasn't that long and not that exhausting, and I think I needed the fresh air plus the view. I loved everything about it. You can see there are other groups still shooting. Wow, the sunset is really cool from here. There are other groups still shooting. See who is imposing himself into my video. Okay, so that's the artist we're shooting with. I'll link it up with him so that you can check out his songs. And then as you can see, there are other groups still doing their own shoots. It's like a traditional sort of a thing. I love their outfits. And they seem like it's all professional dancers. Wow. I actually dread the fact that we are going to have to walk for a while before we get to the ride, but well, it works. Hello. So today is already the 16th of April and I haven't concluded the birthday weekend vlog because I've been so busy and I don't know, there's been a lot to do. I just had to conclude this in school. I'm currently in school. As I said, we are working on our master's thesis right now and it's a lot of work. So you wake up in the morning, you have to rush to school and try to get some work done. Some days you even just write a few lines or a paragraph and you go back home, but you have to keep coming to school and doing that every day to ensure that the consistency is in place. So that's what I'm up to. And I will be uploading the vlog a few days from now. I hope that you're going to enjoy it because this has been one of the vlogs that I've invested so much into. Like, I did so much for that vlog and I'm hoping that it comes together really well. For the meantime, I love you, and tell your friends to subscribe. Come on, guys, we can't be lonely in here. Tell your friends to subscribe, bring them on, and it's a moving train, and we're having fun. So why not? Love you.